Alright, so we were watching Wolfe Pit and looking up the dollar ribeyes from the Dollar Tree, so we went and picked a couple up. And we're making a pizza tonight, so we figured just chop it up and throw it on there. But here's your dollar ribeye. It only took about 30 seconds to thaw in cold water. And there it is, and Lori's gonna season it now. Just with some soul food seasoning, a little salt, pepper, garlic.
Paprika, garlic powder.
Boy, she looks tasty. Alright. I already did.
Oh.
It's all you. Alright, now we're gonna put it in the frying pan. See what happens. It says on the package that it's made with USA beef, but it was further processed in Mexico. So they killed the cow in the United States and then sent it to Mexico, made a steak out of his ass, and then sent it back.
I just like to point out the shape. It looks kind of like a buffalo or something, with little back legs and the front legs and the head.
Yeah, I bet it don't taste like buffalo.
How long do you think?
I'd let it brown for a minute. Then we got pizza going in the oven.
Low carb pizza crust.
Low carb pizza crust.
That looks a little better than the...
That looks a lot better than the steak.
Not shrinking up too bad, I guess. Patted it dry to get all the
30%.
all the saline and
30% solution out of it.
this is going to be fantastic.
I'm saying you don't have to cook it long to get it like well done. It's probably already medium rare.
Give it a flip.
You're in charge. You're the one who wanted to go to the Dollar Tree.
Oh boy. Hang on. She's shriveling like bacon.
It smells like meat. What kind of meat, I don't know. I don't know if it's better to like undercook it or overcook it. I guess for a buck though, you can't complain.
I think he said it cooked better when it was frozen. Wasn't it the steak?
It might have. Alright, so now we cooked our dollar ribeye, and now Lori's gonna chop it up so we can taste test it. How's it cutting?
Yes. Oh, I think that's a fat band. Not bad. She got about well done.
Alright, I'm gonna try it. I don't know. Pretty fucking gross if you ask me.
Kind of spongy.
Yeah, really spongy. We thawed it out and then cooked it. We didn't cook it frozen. So I don't know if that would have made a difference, but I won't be rushing back to get another one.
Not gonna order them by the case, huh?
Yeah, they are pretty spongy tasting. But, well, that's our Dollar Tree ribeye steak review. See ya!